Starting your day looking at a spectacular view, enjoying the caressing breeze and the serenity, jumping into the sea for a refreshing morning swim, and feeling that you are spending a fun day at your new home in Dimri Towers on the Sea, a place where every day starts with a morning of enjoyment. Dimri Towers on the Sea, 5 buildings located in the best part of Iriamim Poleg, the most modern and prominent area in Netania, the first residential line of buildings facing the sea. Dimri Towers on the Sea is a leading project of the leading construction company Dimri in the leading neighborhood of the Sharon. Dimri Company was founded in 1989 by Igal Dimri, and soon after it became a household name all over the country. Skilled staff, uncompromising quality, state-of-the-art technology, financial stability, and dozens of prestigious projects around the country place the company at the top of the Israeli construction industry. Providing personal service, warm attitude, lots of attention, and close support, the company is committed to meet the customer's needs to their full satisfaction and promises a warm and loving home in the best tradition of Dimri. A warm and loving home in Dimri Towers on the Sea means raising your children in an exceptional and green environment, enjoying the deep blue sea, a sea of advantages and a sea of opportunities and options. Starting from the perfect location, facilitating convenient access to the open public area and quick exit to the coastal road, road number 4 and road number 6. On through the proximity to nursery schools and schools. Close by, there are also country clubs, shopping malls, and community centers of Iriamim Poleg. And of course, the impressive architectural design and the meticulous finish of the buildings themselves. Each building includes a magnificent lobby, upper and underground parking, and a pampering residence club. The layouts range from particularly spacious 4- and 5-room apartments, elegant mini penthouses, and lavish penthouses overlooking a fabulous view. Each apartment is a combination of thorough thinking, creative planning, and unique performance integrated together into a matchless entirety. All the apartments are built on a very high standard with a rich technical specification. We at Dimri consider the familial framework a supreme value and believe that we can and should choose our family. This is demonstrated by our extended family, which includes thousands of satisfied customers all over Israel. Now is the time to choose Dimri Towers on the Sea. Find a warm and loving home and join the family, which puts its heart and soul into its buildings.